Assalamu alaikum, dear friends. How are you all? It's Digital Shahzadi here, and hope you are liking my videos. And today, everyone, I'm going to tell you about the market. And today's videos, I'm going to go through how Bitcoin and the crypto is going to perform in the medium term. July means it's the July month is going to be a big month, not only for the crypto but for the world economy. And I think so. Stay tuned and watch the very end where I'll be revealing when the data is going to be released and how the markets are going to react importantly. What to do so with that all being said, leave a like on this video. It's a very much appreciated like, and if you are new and you want to see my more videos like this, be sure to join the my crypto community channel and subscribe my channel right now over there. So being said, guys, let's jump into now. If you haven't done as already, be sure to check out my latest videos right now, and you know how would you like it for the Bitcoin's price and all for all the coins and how they are going to react, because there is a lot of data that is coming out. So there's a good stuff of Bitcoin, but also on the macro sense, like some data that will be released by the BEA Bureau of the Economic Boards and other board across the world about. So how the world economy is going to be performing right now and how it has been performed over the past 2 quarters. So we'll discuss in this video, right, this kind of a thing that, as we all know, we have seen two negative GDPs. Then they are in the technical recession right now what there. So we are going to seeing the alarm bells from the mainstream like media to maybe pretty much know how that the general public, and that's where we are going to see the sort of the mass hysteria. But again, I'll tell you that some sort of the conflicting maybe a price action maybe come out for of that. We will just talk about that later on. So in this video today, I'm going to tell you that how the market is performing. So today we are seeing that the Bitcoin dominance is at 42.4% and Ethereum around 250. Ethereum is 14.7, and the coin market cap are the sort of $875 billion Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is coming in at $19 to $19,500, and we see the Bitcoin price action right now over there. So there is a little kind of jump. So we see a Bitcoin a little pump right now over there, and just a little maybe going up as a round sort of the $26,000 that usually happen towards the maybe end of the every month. You will see the options expire, and also the contracts expire as well. So for your futures, and that usually has a sort of a release kind of a pressure, and Bitcoin's price can either go up or go down, right, quite violently. So towards the end of the month, and so we saw just a little bit kind of last nights we have seen a little pump over there, then we have seen a little dump right now over here. So maybe that may be a good thing for the crypto market or not. Maybe the Bitcoin price going up, or yeah, that the moment how the Bitcoin could perform throughout the month. So there is still we are seeing extreme fear in the market right now, and you'll know or look at that how the Bitcoin performed throughout the June, down negative 40. Pretty much it has been a crazy three kind of a months for the dump for the crypto, and again it's also has been same for the entire crypto world or for the exchange. So the world we are seeing, so there is sort of the slowdown in the how the price action happening, not only for the crypto but also for the world economy. And we are seeing the stocks right now what they're like the maybe the like the Shopify and the other stocks right now, they are also in the dump position and shares in the stock market. So we are performing worse than the crypto. They are performing worse than the crypto and worse than the Bitcoin. I think the Shopify is down at the 70% off. So this year is so not so much good for the Bitcoin. Moving towards the news, and talking about the news right now over there. So there is some sort of things right now, and hopefully we'll say that the better days are coming. Maybe we are waiting for that better days, and we still hope that the better days will come back in the maybe in the July or September. So being again for experienced trader, not only coupled with everything that's happening for you this month, and I'm going to reveal one exactly. You guys have data to be released about how the world economy is performing and what will affect it, how the markets are going to perform right now over there. So there as the better days are coming with deleveraging coming out, and with this what JB Morphin has said, and this is in the way is a good days, good things regardless of who said it or why it has been said. The main thing really is that you should know to get out of the bad stuff we have seen in the market for the past. You know that the 2 months of so at this point, need to be see that the people essentially just quite like the crypto. So the people who have over leveraged, over borrowed, and over invested, over exposed themselves to the crypto in a way unnecessarily are going to, these people are who shouldn't be investing in the first place. You have seen the capitalization events which some of the companies out there has also been exposed right now and are overexposed. I think they're ever exposing themselves to the crypto in general, and also over borrow right now where they're over leverage kind of thing. This is not a good at all, and so to get it past this, get away from this, maybe this section and as a part of the market, so that we are in the moment that allows us to rebuild ourselves and learn from the mistakes we have been before. However, the same mistakes keep on happening, so we need to find ways to go around to see the news. So, one way that could be regulated now is that I am advocating to of some regulations, not over the regulations to kill the innovation. That is what I like to say about when it comes to regulation. But there are some people out there that want to have the regulation just to kill the innovation. So don't want. What do I think that they are getting away from the wild west, and they are going to be seeing this month and also for the rest of this year. We are going to see the regulations right now over there, and this year at the same time we are also going to see adoption. So I'm going to give green lights to many institutions that want to get into the crypto but don't have much regulatory clarity of the getting innovated and getting stuck in the with the crypto, and there are some other wants to take a risk such as the micro strategy. But there are some others who are there in the traditional finance, that kind of thing, that how are temptations to get into the crypto. But I think they see the regulations right now over there, or the regulatory framework right now. So it's just not up they're like liking, if not just they're liking, if we are see that I don't think we can see many stuff happen to it. So we could be seeing a great spot Bitcoin right now over there. ETF and well-being has been being created right now over there in the United States. That had been a big thing right now. So Now we are going to see how the economist will work. So economics, this is released on this very important stuff right now what they're so going to release this in the month of July 28th. Hopefully 28th July will make sure that we have there in their calendars right now over there. So this was there's a GDP right now, and reading it because they determine the US is currently in a recession right now, and we have had the first quarter that was a negative quarter right now, and that is maybe that is that the first quarter, if we have the second quarter and it's a negative quarter, then we are in the technical recession kind of a thing, and that is where you are going to see. You know that maybe the big players are the big media, especially the big media players say you know you are in a recession and you are in a recession, guys. So whereas the most of the people who are very much involved in the grades kind of thing and in the market, they have already seen this, and it wouldn't be the much of a surprise to them that to the people who are not necessarily involved in the crypto markets right now or they're in the market in general. This is maybe a big shock to them and that will be another thing added to on the top of the that that the supply chain logistics maybe logistic issue at the moment, and also the energy crisis right now were there at the moment as well as. So again, another thing is just to be aware of the of this month, and this I do think that the markets will perform could be a bit of a key jerk action, right, kind of a thing. So negatively is a sort of a very short spike right now maybe, and then there I think we would seeing a bit recovery, because I think with the most of the markets with Bitcoin and how crypto has performed right now. Moving towards the BTC chart right now over there, and we are seeing the BTC in the 4 hourly framework of the Bitcoin. So we have seen, right, we have seen all the price in this, and we have seen the price. It's what's happening, the recession and the interest is being raised, and also the inflation. So why seeing the negative growth, or know the sort of this downward momentum in Bitcoin and also in the crypto markets, in the stock market, as well as for the past few months we have seen that investors have been seeing a recession potentially happening. We are seeing the inflation and also goes up, as well as in the north interest rates also, coupled with the energy crisis, many other things that are happening. So that there were things could be going for the Bitcoin price, and could also be called the Bitcoin spike at around $15,000 to $16,000. From there I think that we see the move upwards, because the data is revealed, it has announced that it made in the stone sort of a thing. So the comment below whether you agree or you disagree. Having the interest to hear you guys to say that the June was negative 35, 37, which is absolutely insane. What will July bring? Hopefully another green month. You will see another green month for the month. So we are still out of the fear words, and the fear is still there. What to do exactly? Well, again, we are here. Too much financial advice, it's not the financial advice, but all we are doing is dollars cost averaging, or regardless of the Bitcoin price, we just accumulate the Bitcoin, and we'll see all the coins we love talking about on this channel, and accumulate the long term perspective. Then it comes to a time where I have seen a pump in the market, and we'll start to sell our initial positions that we have put in initially. So the market so effectively, so what we are trading is with a new money. So let's ride and let's see what's happened, that what coupled with the coupon dollars average dollar cost averaging, we have doing ultimately have to be decide what want to it comes to investing. It's your decision. You can again take the inspiration from the people out who have the knowledge in terms. When the data comes out and everything, we are here to provide the analysis and the interpretation of the information that comes out. So again, if you are new here, you want to see more videos like, be sure to join the digital Shahzadi family today and subscribe. It's amazing to be a part of it, and yeah, we love to have you guys on the board. So subscribe if you are new. On Twitter, don't forget to follow us, and we need 100,000 followers. Maybe I need 100,000 followers on the crypto community. So there is a link description of my Telegram channel too. So you guys on the next will channel will see. First, if you wanna join the more about the Telegram channel for the free signals, you can join my channel too. And for the Urdu speaking or Urdu understanding people, I have my channel or name as the Crypto Shahzadi. You can move towards there for the join and subscribe my channel there too right now. So till then, take care. Allah.